everyone. Very good evening to all and respected person. Very good evening. First of all, I just wanted to express my gratitude who has given me a chance to speak. Thank you so much. My name is Muskan Sharma. I am studying in 12th standard from the Radiant Higher Secondary School. Now let me give my quick introduction. That my father is a government employee. He is serving to Indian government, and my mother is a housemaker. As I mentioned that I am a student of 12th standard from the commerce stream, and currently I have taken a course of personality development and English spoken classes from the English Shalini Institute in Gwalior. Let's come back on my topic. So my today's topic is positive thinking. So what is thinking first? What is always there inside in human mind? This is thinking, and behind the thinking there is a thought, and a continuously coming chain or continuously coming thought is leads to your thinking. I think you know very well that your thinking plays a very vital role in your each and every aspect of your life. We often hear, as you think, so shall you become. If your mind is healthy and happy, then you are on your physical level very happy and healthy, because what you think from you get up, then you go to bed. Whatever you think, it affects on your physical body as well. Your energy of your thoughts radiates into your energy, into your physical body. Everything it's affect a lot. Now we all divided this thinking into two main and broad categories. One is positive thinking and second is negative thinking. Let's talk about positive thinking first. What is positive thinking? So positive thinking is broad, which gives you energy, which always keep you motivated towards your task, towards your goal, which make you faith in yourself that you can do it. Not now, but after a while, yes, you can do it. This is positive thinking or a positive attitude. It's a very important in everyone's life. No one can ever do anything without this positive attitude. Now, in addition, let's take a just quick meaning of negative thinking. So negative thinking is very clear by its name. It's totally opposite. It's totally opposite to positive thinking. No, negative thinking is that which always keep demotivate you. Negative thinking leads you comparison. Your peakest point, you always compare in negative thinking your peak point to other person is certain point, and then you feel yourself that you are not smart enough, you are not good enough like others, and then you make yourself demotivated and you will be depressed, something like that. In negative thinking, I think a person who thinks negative is a negative thinker leads the big disaster for that person's life. And now let's come back again to positive thinking, and as I told you that positive thinking is just which gives you energy to do everything, which make you faith in yourself that you can do it and you can do it. That's all. No matter how others people see you, what others people talk to you, what others people speak on you, no matter what are they doing on you, no matter short, tall, texture, color, no matter, it doesn't define you. It doesn't define you. You know your worth is for you. Never let anyone bring you down, and never let anyone stop your good vibe. Now here's a question come. Now what's the question is, how to keep ourselves positive? Okay, so be positive is very good, it's so good, but in this world no one can always in his or her entire life can be positive. There's a time always come in everyone's life. At that point a person also think that it should not have happened. Why did it happen? Sometimes the person also think negative about that situation. It's not okay, it's all right, every person, because in this world no one always be positive about everything. This is the universal fact. What I'm saying, being practical is more beneficial rather than being positive. Being practical towards what? Practical towards positivity. Practical towards positivity means in this world, each and everything has two sides, two faces. One is good, one is bad. One is boom, one is curse. And so you have to see the side both, worse than the worst and better than the best. I repeat, you have to see both the side, worse than the best, worse than the worst and better than the best. And but you have to hope only for the best. This is called practical towards positivity, because if there is any bad happen, then you will mentally prepare that it can also happen. That is called practical. For an example, in this world, for an example, in any hospital, one side child is born and one side someone is dead. So what will you prefer to do? What will you prefer to do? Enjoy or sorrow? You will prefer to do enjoy, definitely. That is called practical towards positiveness. If something bad happens, so what? Along with it, in parallel and with, there is also good one happening. That's called practical towards positive. If someone is gone from this world, so what? Is someone also coming in this world? Again, there's also, I have taken an example that in this world, the boards, there are two students, one is pass and one is fail. But at least one is pass, that is called. One is pass, you should enjoy or you should hope that okay, something has happened good, at least something has happened good. That is called positivity. You have to find positivity even in the worst. That is called positive attitude. Just to show off that you are positive, it's not gonna any do your work. Not from the outer level. You have to be positive from the soul of you. You also think, okay, no matter if something bad happens, so alright, there's somewhere good also happening. Nothing in this world happens for a worst. Each and everything happens in this world happens only for the best. Now, I come on one is also important point that practical towards positivity is okay. Positivity towards your goal, towards your life, it's everything okay, it's everything alright. But there's also a point made that positive towards ourselves. There's a main point. Everyone, I think, leave this point. Nowadays, it's a very big concern to talk about in this point. That for it, just accept. Accept. I spell it out ACCEPT. I spell it out for you. Accept. Just accept rather than expect from others. Accept. How are you talk? Who are you? How do you look? Just everything. How do you look? Who are you? How do you walk? Everything. Just accept it. You are just the way you are. Just say everyone, yes, I am just the way I am. This is the main and key of your everything. Your acceptance is a key of your positivity. Your acceptance is a key of your satisfaction and peace, your happiness as well. Accept. Behind each and everything, behind happiness, behind satisfaction, behind peace, there is always a accept. That you accept that is okay. That is a big point. And it also, I think it also make and live you in your present, in your reality. We are not living in today's reality. We are somewhere living in our imagination world, something mirror world like. We are not living in actual reality. We are living either in past or in future. We are living, your past is already a history and your future is already a mystery. What do you prefer to see, history or mystery? Just be relaxed and live in your present. That's why present is a gift of God. That's why it's present. Why? Present is a gift of God. That's why we all call it present. And I'll tell you, this is the most precious gift given by this universe to us. And please value this gift and start living in present. It will lead you for a very good life. And in this world, in this point, there's a very good thought come in my mind that nobody can make you feel inferior without your consent. And this is the main point. Never ever let anyone make you feel inferior. You know who are you, and never let anyone define you again. Redefine by yourself, discover yourself, make your new version, but never let anyone to make that thing. This is one thing. And I just wanted to sum up my all topic with just an example that the entire water, the sea has a lot power. Either in past or in future, we are living, your past is already a history and your future is already a mystery. What do you prefer to see, history or mystery? Just be relaxed and live in your present. That's why present is a gift of God. That's why it's present. Why? Present is a gift of God. That's why we all call it present. And I'll tell you, this is the most precious gift given by this universe to us. And please value this gift and start living in present. It will lead you for a very good life. And in this world, in this point, there's a very good thought come in my mind that nobody can make you feel inferior without your consent. And this is the main point. Never ever let anyone make you feel inferior. You know who are you, and never let anyone define you again. Redefine by yourself, discover yourself, make your new version, but never let anyone to make that thing. This is one thing. And I just wanted to sum up my all topic with just an example that the entire water, the sea has a lot power. Water has a lot power, but the entire sea cannot sink the ship until it comes in the ship. So similarly, this world is full of both energies. It is full of both energies, negative and positive. Both are there in this world. So what do you prefer? It's your choice. Negative and positive will not come and over you until you allow it. Until you let negative over you, it cannot. So I just want to say, never let negativity allow or over on you. This is what I want to say in my whole topic. Be practical towards positiveness, be happy and be live in present, be positive and have a positive attitude towards everything. That is what make you very successful in your life. Thank you so much for listening with your patience and affection. I just again want sincere thanks to all who listen. Thank you so much.